Every day, you're in a world of persuasion. An advertiser wants you to buy their toy. Your friends want to pick the game. But what if you could master this art? Let's try a mission. Convince your parents to order pizza for dinner tonight. To succeed, you need the secret tools of persuasion, first identified over 2,000 years ago by a philosopher named Aristotle. He called them Ethos, Pathos, and Logos. Think of them as a three-legged stool. Use all three, and your argument is unshakable. First is ethos, the pillar of trust. You need to show you're a credible source. For the pizza mission, you might say, "You know I always finish my chores on time. You can trust my judgment on this." You're not just a kid asking for pizza. You're a reliable advisor. Next, pathos, the pillar of feeling. This is about emotion. You're not just talking about food. You're selling an experience. Imagine how amazing it would be to relax tonight. No cooking, no dishes, just enjoying a hot, cheesy pizza together as a family. You're making them feel the relief and happiness. Finally, there's logos, the pillar of logic. This is where you bring the facts. I checked the fridge and we're out of groceries. If we order now, dinner will be here in 30 minutes. It's a simple, undeniable if-then statement that makes your idea seem like the only rational choice. To make your case even stronger, use power words. Don't say, "It might be a good idea." Say, "It is essential we do this." It shows certainty and urgency. So ethos, pathos, logos, trust, emotion, and logic. Once you see these pillars, you'll start noticing them everywhere, and you'll be able to build stronger arguments of your own. Your mission begins now.